Hey, what's up, guys? Gamer back at it again. Today we got a special one for you. What are we doing?
Walking out at night when I have school tomorrow and I have to leave at 4 a.m. and it's already 8 o'clock and we're probably gonna get home by 11 and fall asleep by 12, maybe 1. Give maybe 3 hours of sleep. Had a 12-hour day. Kira doesn't care. I look like a freaking
If you want to
raging
go to
alcoholic.
bed, if you want to go to bed at 8 o'clock, just say that next time.
That was implied.
Okay, guys, we made it. Merritt said he wanted to wear his cowboy boots.
Kira made me because I wasn't allowed to wear slippers. I think I heard something.
Stop.
Alright, guys. These were the first people who were born. Right? Long before the railroad moved goods between Cuca and Seneca Lakes. Long before mules pulled cattle.
Be quiet, though. Be quiet, though.
Oh, spaghetti dinner soon.
Okay.
Oh, look at
What?
turtles. There's that chimney stack.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, what else is missing?
What?
Bro, somebody lost their damn DS case, bro.
No way.
It's raining.
No, it's not.
Maybe that was something else dripping onto my face.
Bro. Is that someone's car up there?
Yeah, and there's a bunch of houses.
Okay, turn off the flashlight for right now.
It's worn down. See, look at it.
Yeah, but that's not how you get to the falls, bro.
Yeah. The falls is right over there, isn't it?
No, it's not.
I hear it.
Merritt, that's just like ripples.
Well,
The
what
falls is
fuck
this way. Wait.
What?
I don't know.
There's a sign right here. Oh, that's left. It's not right. You're gonna leave me damn.
Wait.
Quarter mile.
Where?
Oh, wait, Cascade. The Seneca Falls is to the right. It's a quarter mile.
I know.
Cascade Falls is to the left. It's 1 mile.
Okay, let's go Seneca Falls. That one's bigger. Let's go.
This one?
Yeah. I know myself. I know. Turn off the lantern.
I have it across from there.
Merritt. Turn that shit off now. Yeah, what's that building?
Oh, Kira. There's a dead person in there.
Stop. Oh, like down here. Building right there.
That's somebody's house.
No, it's not. No one's house is that close. Merritt. Stop. Is someone's house
We have to
there?
keep moving.
Just a little bit more.
What is that? Is that Godzilla?
Merritt. Were you actually scared?
No.
Okay, come on, video me.
You what? You can't see anything. We can't see anything.
And point the light on me. Hey guys.
Who's this sexy mother effer?
Today we're going to be going to the Seneca Mill Falls. At night time. Why are trails not open at night? It doesn't make sense.
Because solicitating.
What is that?
Illegal shit.
You're not putting it on me. Is there a problem?
What?
Pointing it on me?
I'm trying my best to document this.
What about me?
Dude, they see you in every video. What?
It's really so bad.
Dude. I thought you were pranking me.
What?
I thought you were pranking me.
What?
See, you're scared of like real stuff. I'm scared of like fake stuff.
Like vampires?
Like crazy people coming out of graves and killing you.
What?
And you're scared of like fucking people getting mad and yelling at me from a house.
Yeah.
Like cops. You're scared of cops.
Fuck 12.
Oh. I'm gonna fall down this freaking trail, bro.
Mirror.
What? I'm walking towards the water. What else are you? I see it. No, like we get it.
Why do you have
Getting
to
this
change
light
it?
out so then
Why?
they can see you. Because the other one's a ball.
Don't walk forward. Do you see what we're going into? What? We need the better light. You can't. What? You're bad at lighting.
My dad has me hold. Oh, jeez. What would I have walked right into?
Shut up.
I was gonna walk down there.
No, you weren't.
I was literally gonna walk the path
I
down.
wasn't going to listen.
You would not have cared. God, get the light out of my face.
You're so cute.
Oompa Loompa. This is big.
This is like repaving this way, right?
It's a waterfall. Where's Dick riding Lee Haven?
I'm kidding. What about me?
What?
What about me? So guys, we're here. Here are the falls. Here are the falls. And look, what's right there?
A
Oh.
jumping spot.
No. Isn't this nice? What? Wait, what's over here? Come over here. I don't like how you just walked away from me.
When?
When you saw
Well,
the
I
falls.
saw the falls and you weren't like interested.
Well, I kept flipping, so I couldn't
Oh,
tell.
I thought you were recording.
What are these? What is it?
What?
Point it
Rocks?
up. The trail. Mirror. Point it fucking up. The light. The trail.
It's the dust in the air and bugs.
This is really bright.
It's what flashlights do.
Not all flashlights.
Let go of me.
Stop. Okay, I need the fucking flashlight because you just don't. Like, come on.
Oh, 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 oh. What?
What about my video? Record. You?
Am I like a dedicated cameraman? I'm also your boyfriend.
Yes, you are.
Oh, look at us gonna get this
Mirror it.
jersey.
Parent.
What? You can't see your face. It's too
Yes.
dark. No, you can't. It's too dark. Ow.
Sorry. Okay. Okay, this is really bright. So this is where the mill used
Can't
to
see
be.
you.
I'm pointing to the.
You probably can't hear you. The waterfall's so loud.
It used to be all down here too.
Okay.
It must have been cute, right? Right on the falls and
They
stuff.
can't see you. Oh, they see me scratching my nuts.
Okay, come on. Okay, why is your house? Why is this house is literally everywhere?
Gosh, it's like Cuca is not one to waste space.
What?
Cuca's not one to waste space, bro. They only have so much. What are we doing?
You should come here during the day.
Yeah, like we can't even see the waterfall. Yeah.
I don't know what I was thinking.
I would have loved to have seen this in the day. This is not
Well,
the same.
there's gonna be nice days next week. We'll come again.
Hey, yo, point it down here.
That's the top.
Point it over there.
So, here, come here. This used to be where you spawn the oatmeal. And what did they make up here?
Cotton.
No. I don't. Maybe like oats.
No. Let's see.
I don't remember ever being up here. I don't know if you can be up here.
Nobody's here to tell me no.
I know, but like I don't remember.
There's railings.
No, but I remember when we came, there was falls. There was falls, and right next to the falls, there was like a big abandoned mill, but it wasn't like you could go on the road.
Why do you look fine as hell now that the camera's on you?
Huh?
I said you look fine as hell now that the light's on you.
My pubes are out. Oh yeah. Coming here during the nighttime is the best time to come.
Why?
Oh, you can see everything like that.
Gatorade bottle.
Okay, let's go back down. Maybe it was a Cascade Falls.
What?
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
There's a hole.
Maybe it was the Cascade Falls. Whose house is that? That's a big house, is that not?
That one right there?
No,
it's a pavilion.
Pavilion. I mean the house. Is it someone watching fucking TV? Mert. Come here.
What? Somebody's watching TV? Probably a muskrat.
Where?
I don't know.
Look at these are nice.
Kind. Just the cement. Oh, Echo!
How can you own the house too? I don't know where we are. It's like kind of hard to tell. Okay, come here. Like I don't remember these big rocks either. What's that?
Never been here. This is definitely a big armadillo.
That's how you know I'm an Earth girl, because I feel grounded. Do you think you could climb it?
I'm feeling grounded right now.
Yeah.
Feeling grinded. Do I think I can climb it? Yeah, I know I can climb it.
Where?
Why are you walking further away?
I don't know where we are.
We went the other way.
Man, we're lost.
No, we went this way.
No, like right. Yeah.
You know the way ahead?
Huh? Wait, no, come here, come here. Where are you going?
Back.
I don't...
So we can get home by 10.
I'm confused though. Like
What? The trail obviously keeps going.
Yeah, so
This guy's just such a complainer. Constantly complaining about something. Look at it. Treats me like crap. Look, whose gum are you chewing?
Mine, pussy. I didn't even...
You're probably good. Probably gonna... You can't spit it out because that's littering. Oh, that was mine too.
I'll actually kill you.
I just put my gum in your mouth.
You didn't. It didn't go in my mouth. That's why.
Oh, that's kidding.
I'm so gassy. I think it was a Spanish rice.
I'm hungry.
What?
I'm hungry. I didn't eat enough.
You ate a lot. You ate cottage cheese.
I eat a lot more than that though.
Spanish rice.
Yeah, but the reason I go to sleep at home.
so confused. Where were we?
Sure, we were just up there.
How did you get in there?
What are you talking about? Where the fuck is she going? We're doing this shit, bro. What the fuck is going on with this GoPro? Scratching her ass like always. Confused as ever. Getting my fucking pajama pants all wet.
Why is it yellow?
What?
Why is it yellow?
It's painted.
From sulfur.
Oh, it is yellow from something. I don't know. Do I go down there? Talking to them, not here.
Go down here?
I just don't really feel like getting back up. It's kind of take too long.
No. You can come here during the day.
She actually held my hand.
Oh, what's up, guys? We're back.
Seamless editing these days.
Oh. I guess we'll have to come back during the day. I don't know why I didn't think of that. It will be a nice fall walk, huh? Next time I go grocery shopping? Okay.
Monday.
Yeah. Listen.
What's up, mama?
Turn off the flashlight.
Turning it off, guys. See ya.